You're gonna be a movie star? Didn't want to bore anyone, but I went berry picking again, and this time I got about a quart in 45 minutes to an hour. Starting to ripen fairly fast now. Well, I got both of them back dormer windows in this morning, along with getting more of the battens on. So now I'm trying to decide if I want to try to continue on with those dormers. I'm already sick of ladders, so I do have a tree that I'd like to cut up, so I think I'm gonna do that while it's still fairly cool out here today. One of the windstorms earlier this spring had blew apart a poplar tree. Not to mention there's another dead one right there. Didn't leaf out this year at all. I like to get that drug out of the brush there, and I'll chop that up, stack it up for firewood for the cabin when I get the cook stove all hooked up. So stay tuned for that. Pretty punky and hollow, but I think I'll still block it up and stack it for the wood cook stove or for the fire pit. As I'm finding out, everything I own seems to need some sort of attention. Well, I don't know, guys, this week sure seems to be a bust. I went down to pick up soffit material, and that's going to be 2 weeks before I can get that now. So I won't be able to get the siding on those two back dormers yet. And of course the four-wheeler's been acting up a bit. I think I got that figured out. But and my chainsaw, I had a new carburetor put on it a while back, and it needs to be adjusted, but I don't have a small enough screwdriver to fit in that, so I'm kind of limping it around trying to just get that one tree cleaned up. So Papa makes kind of a crappy firewood, especially when it starts getting all punky on the inside and rotting out, but I guess I'd rather try to use it for the cook stove or for the campfire use than letting it lay and rot in the woods. Over the years I've burnt up a lot of deadfall. Some of it more punky than others, but it still heats the place, so I might as well use it, seeing how it's laying there for the taking. But so I'll just continue doing this, and we shall see everybody later.